Every chess player thinks they play chess, but what you do at 400 looks nothing like what happens at 1,600. This is what the game actually looks like at every level. 400. This is where everyone starts. And it looks exactly like you'd expect. Both sides move pieces randomly for the first 5 moves. Nobody develops with a plan. They develop because they heard you're supposed to. The queen comes out on move 2. Bishops get trapped behind their own pawns and never escape. Here's how a 400 game ends. Not checkmate. Almost never checkmate. It ends because someone leaves their queen where a pawn can take it, or hangs their rook, or forgets the bishop is under attack. The average 400 game ends in a blunder before move 20. 800. Something has changed. These players know the basic rules. They've stopped blundering their queen on move 3. Now they blunder it on move 12. At 800, every game has the same 3 threats: scholar's mate, back rank checkmate, and the fork on move 7. Players at this level either set these traps or fall into them. There's no middle ground. 1200. This is where chess actually starts. At 1200, players stop blundering for no reason. They see one-move threats. They castle consistently. They've learned 1 or 2 openings and actually remember the moves. But here's what still goes wrong. They reach a good position out of the opening, and then have no idea what to do. The plan disappears. They start shuffling pieces, waiting for something to happen. Someone eventually gets bored and attacks badly, and loses. At 1200, the opening is solved. The middle game is a mystery, and the end game completely ignored. 1600. The jump from 1200 to 1600 is the biggest gap in amateur chess. At 1600, players calculate. Not perfectly, but they look ahead and actually find threats. They know basic endgames. They recognize tactical patterns before they happen. But what really separates 1600 from below is this: they punish mistakes. At 800, if you blunder a piece, your opponent might not even notice. At 1600, they notice. Every time. 1600 chess is sharp. It's fast. It's punishing. And it still ends in blunders, just much, much later. 2000. Expert level. 1 step below master. At 2000, games don't end in blunders. They end because one side was slowly, quietly worse. For the last 15 moves, no single mistake, just a position that compressed until there was no space left. 2000 players don't attack when they see an attack. They attack when the position demands it, and not a move sooner. They spend 10 moves improving every piece before anything happens. Then it's already over. The game is quiet, precise, and completely ruthless. You can't see why 2000 players win. You just see that they always do. 2500. Grandmaster level. Chess isn't the same sport anymore. The computer says the position is equal. The Grandmaster already knows who's winning. Grandmasters win games that shouldn't be winnable. They find resources in positions where there are no resources. They defend for 40 moves and then counterattack in 1. The biggest difference between 400 and 2500 isn't tactics. It isn't openings. It isn't even endgames. At 400, you react to what's on the board. At 2500, you see what the board is about to become. 6 levels, 1 game. Which one are you?